That's you.
What is under my nose?
I'm out.
Hello again, guys. Welcome back to the channel with Patricia Johnson Lifestyle. Thank you so much for stopping by, those of you who are new, and I just want to welcome you. Guys, I want to thank you and I just want to show my appreciation because my channel has now reached to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, thank you. I humbly appreciate that. Guys, I just ask you to just watch out the videos for me, like, share, subscribe, share it with another friend, tell a friend to tell a friend. And guys, let's just get straight into the video. I'm gonna do some hairstyle that I'm gonna just show you. It's just some simple hairstyle that we could wear to work, or just using my 4C hair to just show you some simple hairstyle. So guys, let's just get straight into the video. So I started out with pre-stretched hair, and I'm gonna make a part in the front of my hair. So it's like a V, rather a upside down V kind of. So you're gonna make a part on the side, just a slant, and then you're gonna make another slant at the side and let it meet in the middle or the center of your head. And then I'm gonna put that aside, but I'm gonna put some water, just plain water in it, just to give it a little additional moisture after I've make it a clean part for the front. And after sectioning off the front, we're just gonna twist this part. And guys, my hair was already oiled with my rosemary and cloves oil that I made previously. So basically my hair is already oiled. Then you want to get your like a little head tie or scrunchie, and you're going to put the back all together. What I'm doing here, I get some Hairstyle gel and I'm trying to get my edges laid back and get it sleek in before I actually tie this section, because I want to get my grays. Sometimes those of you who have gray hair will know that they will look a little bit bushy at the front. So I just want to get my brush and my Hairstyle gel. You can use a toothbrush or any kind of edge brush and just get this in, just brush this in before putting together the head tie. So next I'm gonna section off the back on the middle. So it doesn't have to be a clean part, guys, just sectioning off, basically putting it half and half. So you're just making the middle in whatever size depending on the shape of your head, basically sectioning off the back from the middle area into. Next it doesn't have to be neat and slick, guys. It doesn't have to be sleek like that. You can just put it together and twist that one aside. Next you're gonna get the middle, so you just want to pull the middle together and brush it up together, comb it up and put that as well, and you get in your head tie again for the middle section. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, all the